I'm sitting in an '06 Ford Freestyle. We're going to do an add key with the bypass, and we're going to program or pull the keypad. So we're going to put the key in ignition. You can see our security light is on. Key's in the switch. Ford, USA, vehicle, Freestyle, 05 to 06. We're going to do the immobilizer first. Ignition is on. PATS 3. Special functions. Add key. Use the bypass. Okay, keys added. Bring that back. Enter. Enter. Then we're going to go to remotes and pull the keypad. Ford, USA, my system, remote, should be type 6. There's our keyless pad entry on that side of the door, 19979. All done.